Hey guys, Roland with Impress Computers. Today we're going to be discussing the latest AutoCAD laptops. These have just come in from Lenovo. They're the ThinkPads and they've got pretty high-end specs. The first one has got the 15.6-inch screen. It's got a 32 gigs of RAM with an i9 processor and it's got the 4 gigabyte A2000 video card, which is designed for AutoCAD rendering. We've also got the slightly larger 16-inch screen, and that comes with a whopping 64 gigs of RAM, again with a terabyte M2 solid state drive, and again that's got the A2000 video card. We also have a 17.3-inch laptop from HP. That's going to have your i7 processor, 16 gigs of RAM with a 512 gigabyte SSD. So if you're looking for a larger screen laptop, you want to do AutoCAD, you want to do 3D rendering, these are great deals to be had. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.